Hey YouTube, how's it going? So in this video I got the last few bits and pieces that I ordered to kind of finish up my setup. The last thing that I'm going to be doing is new desk and new chair, because my chair, well, there's no padding in the ass, so it kind of needs to go. And I finally decided, since I have enough money, I'm making enough, I'm buying a new desk and I'm sick of using used ones. So today we're going to be unboxing this little guy. I finally decided to buy myself a real good keyboard instead of something cheap, which will go along with my Corsair mouse mat, which obviously is a mouse mat. I'm not going to make an unboxing of a mat that goes on your desk for your mouse and keyboard. And I really I didn't make an unboxing of the mouse piece. Well, it was late and I didn't feel like doing it, so there's that. Okay, so let's go ahead and crack this box open, since I'm not going to be reusing it, and Corsair doesn't like to make things easy to open. I'm going to just pull it out like so. So, it's a box inside of a box. Why does that not surprise me? It's Corsair. They can't just have one box, they've got to have two. So right on top, you have the packaging for the keyboard. Set this off to the side for now, and then you have the wrist resting, and you have a key puller and some different key caps here, and then I don't know, garbage. So that is all that's in the box. So, let's go ahead and take a look at the actual keyboard. Once I'm done pulling the cable through plastic. So this is the actual keyboard. It's an aluminum top piece, whatever you want to call that. Media keys over here, scroll wheel, Windows key lockout, and brightness control. Off the plastic. And on the back, you have a multi-bias switch, as well as a USB pass-through. So that will look pretty good with the Corsair M65 Pro RGB mouse that I have over there. And this is the one with the Cherry MX red switches. So I'm going to go ahead and get it set up, and I will throw the picture of the completed thing with the M65, the mouse mat, and the keyboard. Well, I'll just make that the thumbnail for the video, so if you want to see what it looks like, look at the thumbnail. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that comment section up below, as well as the subscribe button, hit the like button, and in the description box below there's my social media links. You can check them out.